Hey everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Landlord in America, where we make life simpler, one step at a time. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform your daily routine and boost your happiness. It's all about the 15 rules for an easy life. These aren't just tips, they're life principles that will help you find clarity, peace, and purpose. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's make life a little easier. Number 1. Declutter your environment. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Physical and digital environments greatly influence your mental state. Start by organizing your home. Eliminate unused or unnecessary items. Simplify your workspace to boost focus and productivity. Digitally, clear out old files, unsubscribe from emails you don't read, and arrange your tools for efficiency. Decluttering isn't just about aesthetics, it's a form of self-care. By reducing distractions and creating order, you create room for clarity and peace of mind. Number 2. Set clearer priorities. With it clearer priorities, life can feel overwhelming and aimless. Begin by identifying your goals, both short-term and long-term, and write them down. Use tools like a planner or digital task manager to structure your days around what matters most. Understand that saying no to non-essential activities is not selfish, but necessary. Clear priorities guide your energy toward meaningful pursuits, ensuring you focus on what truly adds value to your life. Number 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a simple yet powerful tool for happiness. Start each day by reflecting on 3 things you're thankful for. It could be as small as a warm cup of coffee or as significant as good health. Writing these down amplifies their impact. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, helping you focus on life's positives. It not only reduces stress, but also strengthens relationships by fostering appreciation for the people and moments that enrich your life. Number 4. Embrace minimalism. Minimalism is about focusing on what truly adds value to your life and letting go of the rest. Begin by evaluating your belongings and commitments. Ask yourself, does this item or activity bring joy or serve a purpose? Donate or discard what doesn't. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about clarity and intention. By owning less and doing less, you free up space physically, mentally, and emotionally to concentrate on what truly matters. Number 5. Maintain healthy relationships. Your social circle significantly affects your well-being. Surround yourself with people who inspire, support, and challenge you to grow. Invest time in nurturing these relationships by showing appreciation, listening actively, and being present. At the same time, recognize and distance yourself from toxic or draining connections. Healthy relationships provide emotional security, shared joy, and a sense of belonging, all essential for a fulfilling life. Number 6. Stay physically active. A physical activity is essential for both physical and mental health. Incorporate movement into your daily routine, whether it's a morning walk, yoga session, or gym workout. Exercise boosts endorphins, improves energy levels, and reduces stress. You don't need to overdo it. Even small, consistent efforts make a difference. Choose activities you enjoy to make staying active a sustainable habit. Remember, your body thrives on movement. Number 7. Learn to let go. Holding onto grudges, regrets, or unrealistic expectations creates unnecessary stress. Practice forgiveness, not for others, but for your peace of mind. Accept that the past cannot be changed and that perfection is unattainable. Letting go is about making room for new opportunities and experiences. It's a skill that, when mastered, liberates you from emotional burdens and allows you to move forward with lightness and optimism. Number 8. Simplify decision-making. Decision fatigue is real, and too many choices can paralyze you. Simplify your life by creating routines for recurring tasks, like meal prepping or setting a daily uniform. For bigger decisions, limit options to a few viable ones and set a time limit for making a choice. Trust your instincts and remember that no decision is perfect. Simplified decision-making saves mental energy, which can be better spent on creative and meaningful activities. Number 9. Take breaks. Rest isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Scheduling regular breaks during your day boosts productivity and prevents burnout. These can be short pauses to stretch, breathe, or simply step away from your work. Longer breaks, like vacations, are equally important for recharging your mind and body. By resting, you allow yourself to return to tasks with renewed focus, creativity, and energy. Number 10. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the art of being present in the moment. Start by focusing on your breath or observing your surroundings without judgment. This practice reduces anxiety, enhances self-awareness, and fosters a deeper appreciation for life. Mindfulness can be integrated into everyday activities such as eating, walking, or even washing dishes. By anchoring yourself in the present, you cultivate clarity and calmness no matter the circumstances. Number 11. Manage your finances wisely. Financial stability brings peace of mind. Create a budget to track income and expenses. Save consistently, even if it's a small amount. Avoid unnecessary debt by distinguishing between needs and wants. When you live within your means, you reduce stress and gain freedom to pursue experiences or opportunities that align with your values. Financial discipline today ensures security and flexibility for the future. Number 12. Nourish your body. Your body needs the right fuel to function optimally. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and limiting processed options. Regular meals at consistent times regulate energy levels and mood. Balance is key. Occasional indulgences are fine as long as they don't disrupt overall health. A well-nourished body supports a sharp mind and a resilient spirit, enabling you to tackle life's challenges with vigor. Number 13. Learn to adapt. Change is inevitable, and adaptability is your greatest ally. Instead of resisting, view change as an opportunity to grow and learn. Flexibility allows you to adjust your plans when needed, helping you thrive in uncertain situations. By cultivating a mindset of resilience, you become better equipped to handle challenges, turning potential setbacks into stepping stones for progress. Number 14. Focus on solutions. Faced with problems, it's easy to get stuck on the negatives. Shift your mindset to solution seeking. Break the issue into smaller, manageable parts and tackle them step by step. Collaborate with others when needed, as fresh perspectives can inspire innovative ideas. Focusing on solutions not only resolves problems faster, but also empowers you to approach challenges with confidence and determination. Lastly, number 15. Celebrate small wins. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Acknowledge and celebrate every achievement, whether it's completing a task, overcoming a fear, or making a positive habit stick. Celebrating small wins boosts motivation and reinforces the belief that you're moving in the right direction. This practice fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages you to keep striving for your goals one step at a time. And there you have it, 15 simple yet powerful rules to make life easier. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Filipina Landlord in America YouTube channel for more content that helps you live your best life. And remember, life doesn't have to be complicated. Start small and watch the magic unfold. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.